This is the Lockpicking Vids, and I recently saw a YouTube video with over 60 million views, showing how to break open a padlock using 2 wrenches just like these. Essentially the video shows this arrangement, that the 2 wrenches are inserted through the shackle of the padlock, such that when they're pressed together, they lever against each other and exert an incredible amount of outward force on the inside of the shackle. Now if you think about it, you realize that the force exerted by the wrenches is directed to the thickest part of the shackle, and then through the shackle to the lock's body. Now in the video, it's the pot metal lock body that breaks, because of the extreme forces of course, but also because of the weak lock material. But the trick doesn't scale up because the forces are being exerted to a strong part of the lock, so even with a mildly competent padlock, the trick's going to fall flat. But I don't think it has to if we can redirect those forces to a weak part of the lock. So, consider this master lock. If we had to choose the weak parts of this lock, I'd probably start with these little cutouts in the shackle, where the locking lugs go, and then the locking lugs themselves. Those are probably the physically weakest parts of the lock. So if we can redirect the extreme forces exerted by these wrenches to those parts of the lock, I think we have a trick that could probably scale up to some stronger locks. So it's not that hard to do. All we do is reorient one of those wrenches. We put the first one in like so and then the second one at a 90-degree angle. So let's see what happens when we try this. Okay, looks like we broke something, but it's not completely open. Let's try that one more time. There we go. Okay, let's take a look at exactly what happened. If we look at this shackle, you can see that it broke right on both of the shackle cutouts. So absolutely the weakest points of the metal there now, because this directs the forces to the weak parts of the lock, rather than the strong parts. I think this is a far superior method to that shown in the video, with 60 million views. And it's probably something that's gonna scale up better, and work on far stronger locks. In any case, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions, or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video, and would like to see more like this, please subscribe, and as always have a nice day. Thank you.